Hello Sagittarius, welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver some soul vibrational messages. Today I'll be using tarot and also pendulum to check on your general energetic system called chakras, also known as auras or energy points in your body. So with that said, I want to remind you guys that this reading is general. Also, please like, subscribe, add me to your list. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much, Sagittarius, for being here. I premeditated on your energy, shuffled, so I'll just have it give it one more. Okay, you have the Star, the Knight of Cups, and the Seven of Pentacles. What I'm feeling here, Sagittarius, is the need to have faith. The need to have faith that this new beginnings, that this knowing that you have will be from a place of love. For yourself, for your greatest good, but ultimately for the good of all. Whatever seeds you've planted, the universe is saying here, we are on your side. Like, we see you, we feel you. The 7 represents reflection, knowledge, assessing. And so it's that, like, of pentacles, of your body, of your material needs, of your finances. Like assessing all those areas and not looking at them with like resentment or anything negative. It's mostly like looking at what you've done with good eyes. Having faith that your work has not been in vain, that you will be going into somewhere that brings you that emotional stability, that makes you feel good about what you're doing and what you've done. The Star here speaks about enlightenment. It speaks about inspiration, purification, and finding one's inner light. This is a major arcana, so this says a lot about what you've done. And I think, Sagittarius, you have to, I think that you should be able to like feel it within yourself too and believe that that feeling is truth. The Knight is always in pursuit of something, right? Of becoming a king, of becoming its own boss, of having, better relationship, in pursuit of just always something, right? This particular Knight does speak about confidence, of he's inviting new beginnings emotionally. So it's just a matter of you understanding, like, again, maybe looking, reflecting, like, again, assessing what is it that I've been doing. How have I been using my creativity? This gentleman is wearing blue, very creative. Orange would be like your sacral energy, would be your relationship with others, with yourself, with your money, your sexuality, your emotions, your nurturance, your intimacy. So yeah, if you are in pursuit of having better emotional stability, know that you've planted the seeds and that you've put in the work and that your energy has been used for a greater purpose, and the universe, it knows it. The universe, your universe, feels it and knows it, and it wants you to know it as well. So I hope that this message resonates, that it's an inspiration for you to keep going, to keep planting those seeds, and just to really know that everything's going to be okay. Okay, so just bring in that positive feelings, and again, do everything from a place of love, and I assure you things are going to be okay. Excuse me. With that said, we're going to move on to checking on your energy points, on your chakras, see what you need to give a little bit more light, more love to, in order for things just to balance out or to have a flow within yourself. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's very obvious. That is your base chakra and your crown chakra. Yes. Thank you, Spirit. Okay, so this speaks to both. I think your heart is always like your filter to both your physical and your spiritual you. In this case, it's bringing in both, okay, for you. So, Sagittarius, your base and your crown chakra. So, let's speak about your base or your root chakra. That is a connection to earth, grounding, stability. It's the balance, trust, physical health, nourishment, strength, family, roots. It's your security, it's your survival, prosperity. And your crown, your connection to the universe, your spirituality, your awareness, your consciousness, your wisdom, meaning, your inner joy, your peace, your wholeness. Focus on those colors too, the red and purple or violet. So meditate on those colors, eat a lot of those fruits and vegetables that are in those colors, wear those colors, and have faith. Bring to everything from a place of love, from rooting to your inner joy. So I hope that this message resonates to you, Sagittarius. Thank you for being here. Reminder, this is a general energy reading. And again, I thank you for your time. I'm sending you the best of vibes. Ciao.